Okay, this is New York Times hard Sudoku puzzle for August 16. So I guess doesn't really matter, but 1, 2, 5. I'm just looking in this column. I was looking at 1, but just in this column, 1, 2, 5 cannot be here. So this is clearly just a triple here, right? 1, 2, 5. 1, 2. Okay. So the other digits that we need are 4, 6, and 9, right? Like this in this column. Okay. Now 7 is in 2 cells. I'm kind of jumping around a little. 7 is in 2 cells. This is actually 3. This is 7. Okay. This is 3. So let's just mark 7s like this for now. Now, this is a triple, so the last digit in this box is an 8. Okay. This 8 by itself doesn't really give us anything. I also do see in this row 2 and 5, right? Cannot be in these 3 cells. So this is 2, 5, 2, 5. This is 7. This is in fact 7, 8, 7, 8 because 8 cannot be in this cell either. And so this is 6, right? The last digit in this row. Okay, so 6s are in 2 cells like this. Yeah. 5, of course, is just vertical here. Doesn't really give us anything. Okay. Anything else clever here? 3 in this column can only be here. So these are 3s like this, right? 3 and 3 cells, right? So 1, yeah, doesn't really give us anything. Just looking in this row, right? So we already have 3 in this row. But 5 and 9, 5 especially, well, I mean, so 5 is in 3 cells here. It doesn't really work. What about this row? So this can be 6. Well, actually 4 in this row can only be here. Okay, so this is actually 6. This is 1. These are 1s. Okay. 4 we just know is like this. I don't know why we had 1, but 1's in 2 cells here, right? 9 is in 2 cells, just flat here. Again, doesn't really give us anything. 8, we know 8 are in 2 cells like this, right? 4 is also just in 2 cells like this. And 2 is like this, 2, 4, 8. Actually, yeah, 2 is on the corners. That's kind of breaks our pattern. 3 is vertical. So 2 is on the corners, 3 is vertical, 4 is vertical. 5 is the digit we don't know. 5 is can be here, can be here. Okay, that's interesting. Now, do you know anything maybe in this row? So 2 can only be here, here. 6 in this row can only be here or here. 8, just don't know. 8 is everywhere. 9, of course, is only in 2 cells in this row. Here, here. May as well just enter all the digits. I don't know what's going on. So 2 can be here, here, right? 6 is here, here in this row, and 8 is here, here, or here, right? Okay. Now actually, 1 is flat here, flat, right? So this cell cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, this is just 6. So this is just 8. Okay. This is 7. This is 8. Just no 7s are just in 2 cells, but beyond that, we don't really know. 7 is in 2 cells, right? 6 doesn't really give us anything. This 8, I guess it means 8s are like this. Again, that doesn't really give us anything. In this column, 1 unfortunately can be in all 3 cells. 4 is in all 3 cells. 5 is just in 2 cells, but so we know 5 is split over here like this. Actually, now I do realize that 5 in this box occupies only this row or this row. And it's the same here, okay? So this cannot be 5. This is actually 5. But that doesn't really... Again, I don't think it actually solves anything for us. I guess 1 in this row is in 3 cells, right? 1 can be here, can be here, can be here. 4 cannot be here, but 4 can be here, can be here, can be here. Right, and 6. These 2 cells can be 6s. But this is a triple now. 1, 4, 6, 1, 6, 1, 4. Well, it is a triple, but I don't know what what it actually helps with because 2 is everywhere. Right, 2, I don't really see a restriction on 2 here. Right. Okay. So 3 we know. 5 we know. 6 is part of the triple. Oh yeah, but if 6 is part of the triple, then this cell cannot be 6. This is 6. Okay. And if this is 6, then we know this is 6 and this is 9. So this is actually 2, and this is 6, and this is 9, and this is 6. Okay. So over here we know 1. We need a 2 also here. In this box, we need an 8. Okay, sorry, this is actually 5. This is 2. This is 5. Okay. This is 9. So what do we know in this box? So we need a 2 here, which can only be here, right? This is 4. This is 8, 3. Okay. This is the only other place for 3. Okay, and the last digit in this column, this is a, what is this? This is a 5? I believe it's a 5 in this column. We need a 5 in this column. Okay, and which 5 is not known? Yeah, this should be known. This is 8. This is the last 5. Okay. And an 8 here, which I'm not sure what to do with it. Okay. And then we need a 9 here, which can only be here. This is not 1. This is not 1. Okay. But what about here? Well, this is not 2, of course. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, and need a 4 and a 9. 4, 9, 4, 9. Something like that. Okay, and at this point, I think I'm just missing something obvious because... So, okay, so 1. So we got 2, right? 2, 3. Okay, this is 3. This is 7. This is 7. Can this all be 1? For now, I say yes, I don't know. Okay, so 1, 4, 9. This can be 1, can be 4, but it cannot be 9. Okay, so we have 1, 4, 1, 4. So this cannot be 1. This is 8. This is 1. This is 8. Okay, and therefore, are we still stuck somewhere? Yeah, this cannot be 8, of course. This has to be 2. This is 1, 4, 1, 2, 6, 4, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. Okay.